Okay, find the Cartesian equation of the curve defined by the parameter equations x is equal to 4t plus 1 minus t and y is equal to 4t minus 1 over t. Now sometimes it's difficult to sort of make t the subject, so you can actually try to add or subtract the two equations and result in t being the subject of another equation. So let's just have a look, write these down. So we've got x is equal to 4t plus 1 over t, and y is equal to 4t minus 1 over t. If we call the first one equation 1 and the second one equation 2, and if we now add the two equations, we're going to get x plus y, and here we're going to have 4t plus 4t, which is 8t. We've got plus 1 over t minus 1 over t, they're going to eliminate, and therefore t will be x plus y over 8. We now substitute into one of the equations. So substituting into x is 4t, 1 minus t, we're going to have that x is 4, x plus y over 8, because that's what t is. Now we want the reciprocal here of this, so that's going to be 8 over x plus y, so minus 8 over x plus y. So that's x plus y over 8 plus x 8 over x plus y. This is the reciprocal. We want to add it. Okay, so now that becomes the 4 and the 8 will cancel, so we get x plus y over 2 plus 8 over x plus y. We want to make a common denominator of 2 times x plus y. That means we're going to multiply this by x plus y, so we get x plus y squared, and this 8 by 2 to get 16. And then we're going to take this up here, so we're going to get 2x, x plus y squared plus 16. Expanding here, we're going to get 2x squared plus 2xy. Expanding x plus y squared, we get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus 16. Now this 2xy and this 2xy will cancel out. And then if we take this x squared over here, we're going to get x squared. And take the y over, we're going to get minus y squared is equal to 16. Now, if we look at this GeoGebra plot, okay, this is the graph of it, which has been drawn with some GeoGebra. Okay, if you move the t, you can see that t traces out the path of this sort of hyperbola. Okay, so just going backwards again through t. Okay, so this GeoGebra plot I'll put with the notes in the video. So this has been a video to show you how to eliminate t by, in this case, adding, but you can do adding or subtraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.